Alex, what do you have to say for this little interview for a birthday trip?
Couldn't be better.
Couldn't be better?
Yep. 24 hours ago. 24 hours ago it's just an idea, and now we're out here in a Yoda. Hopefully we're gonna make it.
Oh, we'll make it, dude.
We got Geico, saving that 15%.
What did you say that saying was? Sometimes you're in the...
Oh, 1 second you're on the road looking at the scenery. The other second you're in the scenery looking at the road.
How about we stay on the road, eh?
Yeah, let's stay on the road, boys.
I think that's a good idea.
Woo! Yeah, boys. That was solid. Oh man.
Oh, free car wash.
Woo! Oh my goodness.
I didn't get it.
Dude.
I kind of want to do that.
That's insane.
Literally.
How am I coming down, good?
You're good, yeah. Hold on, let me see your right side. Hold on.
Just take it easy.
Yeah, you're good. Insane. Technically, I'm sleeping on the hammock, so.
I mean, hammock's right by the door. Did you guys hear that?
What?
That sound?
Yeah.
That was crazy.
What is it?
No idea. It sounded like something fell.
I didn't hear anything.
David, you heard it, yeah?
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Which way?
Right?
Right?
Yeah. Where he's shining.
Oh, home sweet home. You know, last time it was super windy and freezing.
Yeah.
It's gonna be freezing, but hopefully not windy.
It won't be freezing. It's gonna be like 38. Which is not cold at all.
Look, bag. No.
I remember there being so much mosquitoes. Are you gonna sleep on those?
Yeah.
How long is it gonna last?
Oh, it'll last.
So you get a spark, and then the fan turns on and just makes it into
No. I turned the fan on just now.
Oh yeah.
Watch this. Suckers!
Creates like a vacuum effect and you just
No, it swirls. It's like a tornado.
Yeah.
Alright, so I actually forgot my sleeping pad, so I had to use half of a foam pad. I cut it in half and gave half to Stefan up there. And then I got my coat and I'm using it for the bottom part, so it kind of looks a little bit whack, but it works.
It's not about the looks.
Yeah, it's literally about... So we got some cedar. Stuff's really dry. So it's gonna help us start the fire. We're gonna use this thing to make some coals. And then we're gonna use those coals to actually start kind of drying out the wet wood. So, just making some shavings right now. Alright, now we could use the jet boil to save us some more time. So I'm using the coals that the BioLite produced when we were burning inside of the actual stove. I dumped those on the ground, and now I'm using the fan to kind of give it some more air. Okay, so Alex found a mushroom right here. We're gonna cut it down and check it out. Oh, buddy. Look at that. So they found a dead standing cedar tree. We're gonna come down. That thing is huge. It's gonna be enough firewood for like a whole day. Oh my word, you guys better run. One more. Oh!
Now run. Sir. Oh, dude, that's funny.
Smell this.
Oh.
Hold it. Smell it.
Oh.
Cedar, buddy.
Oh, man.
I like the music.
Man, if those pods were out of the way, that'd be sick.
Guys, look at that. That's insane. Look at that little tree. That's so cool.
The other side is mine.
Yeah, there's some yellow trees down there too. But dude, I just can't get over that one little tree. That's so perfect. Wow. Oh my word.
Oh,
Where did you get that?
this dude.
Oh, you chopped up the tree, huh?
Yeah.
Lumberjack.
Dang.
I can respect that.
Dang. So first step, kind of put the cheese down all over, just like that. And then we take the tortilla, just kind of move it around. Let the cheese melt on there. Alright, and then once the cheese is pretty much melted, you can scrape it up, and then you flip it, and you have nice blob of cheese in there. Kind of spread it out a little bit, and then the other side, there's a little bit left. So while that's frying, we're gonna add some sausage, bacon, and egg, just like that, and then some avocados. And then last step is some salsa and potatoes, or like hash browns. So that's your salsa and your hash browns. And there you have it. Alright, and then we could just kind of like close it like this, and voila, breakfast, whatever that is, enchilada, taco, burrito, I don't know, man,
Is served.
Okay, Steph, what do you have to say about this breakfast burrito?
Avocado.
Yeah, it's good.
Mm-hmm.
Alex is already on the sweets. Good.
Second round. It's just too good.
Now we gotta ask the viewers, what's better, the burrito, which looks pretty good, or the Mountain View?
Burrito.
Hey, get out of here. Ready? Yeah, go.
You good?
Yeah, can you push it this way? Let's put it in the middle so it burns in half. Alright, perfect. How was your nap?
Oh man, that was so good.
Yeah? What'd you dream of?
I don't even know. I don't know if I even dreamed anything that slept so good.
Those are log piles that are being burned by the Forest Service. So they're doing their own bonfire. We got our own too. Oh, that's a good way to do it. Watch out, you're blocking the camera here. Okay, first test. That's pretty sick. Now we gotta actually like maybe trim it that way more. Let's give this thing a shot.
Oh, definitely holding.
Dude, that ain't going nowhere. I feel like this side's higher now.
I wonder what's the weight rating.
Dude, I mean, it's only gonna get like more shoved into the trees, so there's no weight limit.
Yeah, even with definitely.
Oh yeah, Stephanie. Nice. Got that bomb meat.
Oh my, it just smells so good. Oh. How long did you marinate it?
Well, overnight. Well, yesterday for the whole day and tonight.
Oh my, it's just gonna be so juicy.
Oh yeah. So we have a theory that when the boys that are taking a nap right now smell the meat, they're gonna wake up. We'll get back to you guys when that happens, because you already know this is gonna smell too good. Hey, there's some onions in there. You might want to pop them on there too. All right, boys and girls, first kebab going on. Oops.
Oh yes.
Oh, would you look at that? Jeez Louise, David. Sheesh.
That is just gonna taste so good.
Alright. Gonna scoot it this way. Oh yes. Very nice. What, Stefan? You smelled the meat, buddy? Is that what you got up? Tell us.
One's up, one more to go.
Yeah, sure. They come out without like any warning sign either. They just pop out.
Our theory is halfway true so far.
How do you like the bench?
Oh, what the? That thing's solid.
Yeah?
Hey, there's meat on it.
That's sick, dude. How long did it take you guys to make this?
4 hours. While you were sleeping.
I was only sleeping for 2.
No.
Yeah.
Dude, it's almost dark. It's look.
It's 3 o'clock.
It's gonna get dark in an hour and 20 minutes.
I went to sleep
This
at
gets
1.
crazy.
Or, no.
Because we were eating burritos at 12.
Dude, you went to lunch. You had lunch. You woke up for dinner. This is the life, boys. That's so good.
Where do you rate it?
That onion was so good. I saw it 7 out of 10.
Yeah.
Perfect. Alright, so pine needle tea round 2. I actually added honey and it tastes really good with honey. David is also adding some.
I mean, it's just great.
Fire's going strong outside too. Let's take a look. Awesome. Alright, words of wisdom from Stefan.
Put your faith in God, and even when times are tough, believe in Him, because He is there to guide you. Even when it feels like you're all alone, you're going through these valleys, but He promised us that He's with us. And in the end, when you're done with this valley and you come out on top with your faith increased, you see how truly God was with you the whole time, and how much your faith has increased from that.
Amen, brother. David, what do you have to say? Words of wisdom.
Well, similar to Steph, when it's raining outside like it is, stand by the fire, which is the word.
Ooh, that's good.
And you will be dried, you will be renewed, and you will be like that fruitful tree it talks about in Psalm 1.
Ooh.
So stay in the word and stay in prayer.
Amen. That was good. Alec, words of wisdom.
1 second you're on the road looking at the scenery. Other second you're looking at the scenery looking for it. Again!
Duch Święty, підбадьорить тебе, Дух Святий полікує тебе, Дух Святий провадить тебе і мене. Дух Святий буде вчити тебе, Дух Святий наповнить тебе, Дух Святий нас на зустріч з Христом підійме.
Alright, so we're up for breakfast now. We're cooking some eggs, hash browns, kind of just finishing up what we had before, as you can see right there. And what do you boys say so far? Solid trip?
Let's go again.
Go again, yeah?
Yep, definitely. Yeah, David?
Solid.
So it's pouring rain outside. Let me show you guys how wet it actually is out there. So you can see this is all water that's gathered over the night.
Yeah.
So it was really, really wet, but we were nice and toasty in there. So yeah, it's complete whiteout. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Higher up.
So everything we do out here is straight up hillbilly style.
You like the
Hey, let me see your
spoon?
spoon.
Pretty nice, huh?
Oh my
I mean,
word.
it works. So.
Stephanie, you like your spoon, buddy?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see it. Oh. Is that good though?
Oh,
Let's see
yeah.
what do we have in there? Ooh, yeah, that looks pretty good. Is it good? Yeah. I think we should have a little bit of sauce on it. Do you want to dump it?
No, the one.
Why? That's good.
Oh my word. Dude, absolute beater, dude. This thing's insane. Alright, how's it going, guys? We are done with the camping trip. We got the boys washing the beater. Let's see what Mark is up to. Oh, dude, the camera, man.